Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is move. Here are some words related to the base word. Movable, moved, movement, mover, movers, moves, moving, removal, remove, removed, remover, removes, unmoved. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. Move the cursor to the top of the screen. That movable bridge opens up when ships are passing. They moved to a new town last month. The women joined the human rights movement. The mover packed the boxes inside the truck. The movers unloaded the truck. The earth moves around the sun each year. The traffic is moving slowly on the highway. We have garbage removal on the beach every week. Always remove your makeup before going to bed. The workman removed his helmet after work. She is using a liquid nail polish remover. The server removes the dishes. The jury was unmoved by his story. Now let's review. Movable, moved, movement, mover, movers, moves, moving, removal, remove, removed, remover, removes, unmoved. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.